Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
Hey everybody, this is Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're here with our customer, Mr. Kuipers, who had all the windows and 2 doors installed, and he agreed to go ahead and give us a video testimony. So, Mr. Kuipers, I just want to ask, how was your sales experience with Window Depot USA?
It was great. They were really upfront and transparent from the beginning. Worked through all the different numbers and stuff. They were able to recalculate a couple times just to make sure I had all the information I need to make a decision.
Great, glad that went well. And so when the guys came out to install the windows and doors, how did that process work out for you?
Worked out great. They were here for the better part of 2 days. I was down sick for most of it, so I was trying to stay out of their way and not get them sick. But by the time they left, it was like nothing changed except for the different windows.
So they kept the house pretty clean?
Absolutely.
Great, love to hear that. And then one last final thing is, hearing that from you, I got to ask, would you refer us to your friends and family?
I would, yes.
Great, thanks a lot. Once again, Mr. Kuipers, thank you for your business. We appreciate it. Thank you everybody for listening to our testimonials.